In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple currency in Shopify. Add different currency in Shopify. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. From the main dashboard, make sure you're on Home so you can easily navigate to the settings you need. Now, open Markets. This is the hub where Shopify organizes your selling regions and lets you control which currencies are available to customers in different places. Create a new market to group the countries you want to target. Click Create Market, then enter a clear, memorable name, something like Europe, Asia Pacific, or a specific country group that matches your plan. When you've given it a name, click Save to create the market. Next, define who belongs in this market. Click Add Condition, then choose the countries or regions you want to include. Select the locations that match your strategy. When you've made your selections, confirm them by clicking Done. This tells Shopify which shoppers should see the settings you're about to configure. Now that the market exists and has its regions set, open the market settings to adjust currency options. Look for the currency or pricing area for this market. If Shopify prompts you to complete your account setup to enable multi-currency at checkout, click Complete Account Setup and follow the on-screen steps. Multi-currency checkout typically requires Shopify payments. If you're using a different gateway, you can still display prices in multiple currencies with apps, but checkout may process in your store's primary currency. Completing the setup ensures customers in your new market can browse and pay in their local currency. Return to the market's details to review everything you've configured. Verify the included countries are correct and that the desired currency is shown for this market. When you're satisfied, click Save to lock in your changes. A few helpful tips as you finish up. Customers in the countries you added will usually see localized pricing automatically, especially if your theme includes a country or currency selector. If you don't see one, consider enabling the built-in selector in your theme settings so shoppers can manually switch regions. Exchange rates are handled for you, but you can fine-tune the experience with rounding rules or percentage adjustments per market to keep prices clean and consistent. Finally, preview your storefront as a shopper from one of the included countries, add a product to cart, and confirm the currency displays as expected. With that, your Shopify store is set to offer multiple currencies